Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dressed and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it black, and then this bang, you're going to make it black as well, and then you can follow this adjustment. Okay, and put on this hairstyle. You're going to choose only bangs and then you're going to make it black, and then this earring, make it this gold color. And the next one, I'm going to put on this jeans and I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area. You can go to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to go to the pedal update and put on this top, and then we're going to make it blue. Sorry, not blue, but this one. I don't know what it is called, but you can color it like this. And this is for the color code. And for the second selection, you're going to make it this color. Okay, make it black, I mean. And then for the lacing, you're going to apply the same blue color. And I'm going to go to the curves item. And I'm going to put on, wait, it's still loading, guys. Okay, you can put on this item, and then I'm going to make it top only, and I'm going to apply the same blue color, this one, for the first selection, and I'm going to make it matte. And then for the second selection and also the third selection, you're going to make it black. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to put on this belt. Okay, and I'm going to put on this belt as well. And for the color, I'm going to make it gold. Wait. Okay, this one, guys. You're going to apply this color for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to put on this top, this butterfly top, and then I'm going to make it classic, and we're going to apply the same blue color, this one. Okay, and I'm going to put on the boots, this one, and I'm going to go back, guys, sorry. I'm going to go back to the dressing room, and I need an item from the Valentine update. Okay, go to the Valentine update, and then I'm going to put on this bracelet. And for the first selection, we're going to make it black. And then for the second selection, you're going to make it this color. Okay, done. And I'm going to put on the knife. The knife is here. Okay, and now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dressed and Press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!